So we got some big news. First off, this is a new trail. Second off, I hope everybody's noticed that I have a new camera. I finally pulled the trigger on a GoPro, which I am really excited about. I love it so far. Yes. I had the Runcam Orange, if anybody's familiar. It's a $100 camera, and it filmed like it was a $100 camera. You had to do a lot of work to it to get it to look decent. I think I did a good job, but now that I kind of want to film and post to YouTube, see if anybody enjoys it, I want to give y'all the best experience that I can. So I put the money in, got a GoPro. It was kind of hard to decide which one I wanted. The 12 just came out, a little bit more expensive than the 11. Ooh, watch me. Oh yeah, professional. Nice. A little bit more expensive. Having too much fun. A little bit more expensive, but you know, I like the fact that you could connect it to Bluetooth. Because I was gonna get a mic set up to where I could do kind of like a motor vlog, just for fun. But whenever I heard the 12 link to Bluetooth, I thought I could link it up to my cardio pack, and that's currently what I'm doing. For it has worked well. I only had one time. I'm not sure why but it recorded no audio at all. It was kind of disappointing. Oof. Uh, got it. Took a little while, but got it. Um, but now I got that hopefully sorted out. This is my first time on the trail with it. Shot a little short the other day. See if anybody could notice that I don't have my camera and we're shooting in 5K. But so far I'm loving it. I think I made the right decision in getting. I guess I'm gonna go this way. I'm not really on a particular trail. I'm just riding around. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't. I think I made the right decision so far. I love it. I've been wanting to get a GoPro for the longest time. I've talked about it in the past. Oh my gosh, dude, I kind of want to turn around and go up this. This is legit. Yeah, I'm turning around. Been wanting to get one for a long time. Finally, decided, yeah, I'm doing it. This is happening. So far, no regret. So far, it's been really good to me. Alright, I'm gonna be silent for a second to hit this really fast. Nice. That was clean. Almost dumped it there, but. Which brings me to my next topic. Tires, man. Earlier today, I while I was trying to get to this spot where I wanted to film because I've never been on this trail before. Yeah, so on the way to this trail, like I was saying, I had almost a really bad spill. My tires are done for. I honestly shouldn't even be riding on them right now, but I just can't help myself. Oh my gosh, don't hit my frame. Oh, made it. Like, it's bad. It's really bald. Went through a rut, had some mud, tried to avoid it. See, like that, it was one of those. Tried to avoid it, did not avoid it, and front tire just completely came out from under me, and I almost went to the ground. Luckily I didn't. Luckily I saved it. I have no idea how I did that. I'll more than likely post a clip of it. I had the GoPro on at the time. But yeah, hopefully in the future, after I bounce back from the expense of this camera, which I love, I will be getting new tires so I can conquer stuff like this. Alright, here we go. We're in it. Yeah. XR, man. XR. Here we go, man. Yeah, so far, loving the, GoPro. Still playing with the settings. I think I got it, pretty good. I like the settings that I'm rocking right now. It might be a little dark in here. I didn't play with it too much, like in dimly lit spaces. So I'm gonna do that some more. Hopefully I get better and better. But this should make it a lot more entertaining for y'all at home watching this. Better quality. A lot of people like that short that interested. You know, I loved the sky in that short. It was very, very nice. Probably shouldn't have done that, but I couldn't help myself. It was too fun. Lesson learned, never go fast around a turn when you don't know what's on the other side. And I know that lesson, and I keep doing it. Old habits die hard, man. Old habits die hard. Don't roast me. Also, not feeling my best right now. That's why my voice kind of sounds weird. Got like a little sinus infection going on. Nothing too bad. But I had some free time before the work kicks off to get to the trail for a little bit. It is busy out here, like super busy. I have seen a lot of KTMs. Which I love KTMs. You know, I talk a lot about the XR. You know, because it's what I own. It's what I could afford, and I do love the bike. Like I don't ever plan on getting rid of it. I would like to get some, you know, a powerhouse bike whenever I'm better at riding and got a better grasp on how to operate on the trail. I would like to get a powerhouse bike, but man, those KTM's, like, it's so hard to explain. It's watching those guys go through the woods. It's almost like seeing a deer run through the woods. I mean, just so agile, just trolloping around. Like they make it look so effortless. And I'm sure those guys had way more experience than me, but they made it look so easy. I'm over here